Guten Tag. Securing food supplies, conserving resources, mitigating against climate change, these are the major challenges of our time. To this end, we need sustainable, resilient, and efficient agriculture that also pays due regard to the conservation of our natural resources. However, the agricultural sector is not just an economic sector like any other. It is committed to fulfilling the human right to adequate food. This is its first and foremost task. This is why a smart and sustainable agriculture is an important contribution to the solution of our global challenges. We have somehow to reconcile the foremost challenges for our common future: feeding a growing world population and tackling climate change. The OECD meeting of the Committee for Agriculture at ministerial level, as one link in a series of high-level conferences on agricultural policy, underlines our determination to take action. Vielen Dank.